Oh, poor bird. Alright guys, I'm out here at Rollins. And this, oh my gosh, this is why you don't leave your fishing line. This is exactly why you don't leave your fishing line. This poor bird is completely tangled up. Oh my gosh, let's see if we can get it out of here. Come on, calm down. Alright, that's not its, let's see, where's its leg? Calm down, buddy. Start snipping on this stuff until we can get her loose out of here. Its little buddy is over there flipping out. I'm trying. Calm down. I'm about to get attacked by a robin. Almost got you there, bud. Calm down. There you go. Hopefully it'll be all right. That's ridiculous. Guys, you can't just leave your fishing line laying around like this. That nest, I don't know if you can see it, but that nest is 90% fishing line. Poor bird. Hopefully it lives. A split shot right in the end of this.